Hey, Mo here from HotJet. I want to go over our Pro Package B. In this video clip, I want to go over how it comes packaged and how it operates. Kind of get in a little bit on the operational side. Service, kind of another story, but there isn't much to service on these. First of all, any jetter you're looking at, start with the trailer. Take a look at this trailer. It's all diamond plate steel deck. We love the tandem axle. We will build on single, but tandem's just a whole lot safer. As far as hauling water to and from the job, a lot of guys will dump their water and then refill, but time-wise, I just hear it's nice to have a bigger tank and have a trailer that's actually DOT rated to haul the load. This trailer's 7,000 pounds rated, and it's got the breakaway, which you usually see on the 10,000 pound, and it's dual electric brakes. Got the big ball, 2 5/16 ball, and our base package, we include the front toolbox on all of them, and we'll kind of get into that in a little bit. But the heart of the units are 35 horse Vanguard power unit. We love these motors. They're actually built by a division of Toyota, which is Daihatsu. What a motor, and service is really super. If you ever need service on them, there's a Briggs & Stratton dealer in every small town. Lawnmower guy can service them, and they really stood behind them. We do a ton of business with them. They are super motor. The other part of any jetter system, of course, is the pump. And this pump's made by General. That's the TSF 2021. 8.6 at 3,600, 8.6 gallons per minute at 3,600 psi. On this unit, we incorporate a dual filter system that cleans the water through an 80 mesh and a 50 mesh filter before the head of the pump. This will really keep out any rocks, plastic, gravel, whatever the heck's in the water supply. Up front's our hammer valve. So if your hose is stuck or you need to go long distance, you can easily turn that on when you're operating. It's easy to get to. One thing we like is this modular platform. If you've got to work on something, you can get at it. You know, other companies build a cage up here around it and then close it. You know, if the weather's that bad, you know, leave it home, or we include a cover, a real heavy-duty tarp, so you can tarp this when you're not using it. But it's waterproof. We've got this design down pat. We feel we do. Right here's your switch from your antifreeze tank, from your water tank. So if you need to antifreeze this, it's just a matter of running it, flipping the valve, and the whole system will antifreeze right to the end of the nozzle, and then recapture your antifreeze back in the tank. We go over that in our service video. On the back side of this unit, we've got the throttle control, so you can rev the engine up and down. You've got your fill hose, so you can fill this tank. We prefer to, if you've got a big enough truck, go out with the water tank full. Sometimes the water's hard to find out on the job, and again, that's why we like a tandem axle trailer. And one thing I'll note while I'm right here, take a look at the frame that we put this tank in. I just get a giggle when I see straps holding down a water tank. I see them all over the web. If you're in an accident or one of your workers doesn't respect what's in that water tank, what do you want holding it down? A couple of straps or a couple 1x1 tube welded in bars? I'll arguably say this is the best trailer in the whole industry, like quite a ways from what I've seen. And it also really looks good. We can put signage back here. If you're a professional rooter plumber guy, we can put signage there. And you've got the option for signage here or toolboxes. That's an add-on. We've got really nice toolboxes that fit on the sides. You've probably seen them in our other clips. This is a 1-speed, high-speed, high-torque hose reel, and it'll really bring in that hose quick. And again, you can option whether you want 300 feet of the piranha hose or 300 feet of the steel braided hose. And then over on this side, you've got your gauges and your on-off valve. Of course, you want to start this in the off position, get your hose in the hole, turn it on, then rev your engine up. I want to take a minute and show some of the accessories that come with these. Got the Warthog nozzle we love, that's the rotator nozzle. Heck of a tool. The other nozzles that come with the rig, you've got your ram and your forward flushers come with it. Of course, a complete manual. We make a jetter additive that really helps keep the pipes clean while you're jetting. Cones, our vacuum system, which will draw roughly 50 gallons a minute off of this unit, so you can clean out valve boxes or backflow areas. If you've got a sludge you need to suck out, this unit will surely do that. And of course, tiger tail, that's to protect your hose going down the drain. Everyone needs a tiger tail. And this is the jumper hose assembly, where you can hook the hose off the machine and into the on a small job. You can take it inside and do the small drains. And that's a 1/4 inch size. In this video, I'm going to fire up the unit. We're going to run the Warthog. We'll show you what it'll do to a pallet, and I'll hook the washer as well to it. So I'm going to fire this up and kind of go over operation just a little bit. Make sure I don't get a kink in my hose. So here we go. I've got the valve off to the hose reel. I've got the throttle down. We're just going to start the unit. Walk to the back. Right now I've got that in the off position, no water's flowing through it. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna say that the hose is in the pipe. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. You can see that slowly turning. I'm gonna up here, the throttle's right here. So again, I'm going to open that valve up. You want to make sure that the hose is crawling in the line. That's the key before you give it the throttle. So I'm going to throttle it up. So you can see in this clip what it did to this pallet. You can see where the rear jets, how they push and pull, and that front jet's the cutter. In the next little shot, I'm going to hook the power washer to this, and I'll show you the power of this unit. And you can see how this is probably the best value there is on the market by a mile. Okay, I'm going to go over the operation of how we hook up the flush gun. Let's say you're done with the job, you want to clean up after. We put this on, the quick coupler. That's the female, this is the male. I've learned that after the years. A few years of doing this. And we're going to hook on the turbo nozzle, which is real similar to the power of that Warthog nozzle. And we'll fire this unit up. Again, I've got the back valve off. Whenever you start it, Water's on. We've got to worry about antifreeze. It's middle of summer. Windy day here in the SLC. So I'm going to fire it up. Go ahead and give it some throttle. I get asked a lot if it'll cut up roots. Well, with the Warthog nozzle, there's much doubt about it. This unit will run a lot of different tools as well. So between having being able to jet big lines, you can hook the small jetter to it, call it the power wash and vacuum. So it's pretty damn versatile machine. Excuse my French. Hey, thanks. Call me soon.